Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to buy a car in Australia, whether it's a petrol car or an EV like a Tesla Model 3, you've probably wondered, how much does it actually cost to own and run a car? Today, I'll break it all down state by state for 3 locations: Victoria, VIC, New South Wales, NSW, and the Australian Capital Territory, ACT. We'll compare registration, insurance, servicing, road costs and more, plus a head-to-head cost battle between a Toyota Corolla and a Tesla Model 3. Let's dive in. First up, registration costs. Before you even hit the road, you'll need to pay an annual registration fee to legally drive your car. This cost varies by state and vehicle type. Car registration costs, petrol versus EV, in VIC, NSW, and ACT. In Victoria, a petrol car registration costs $895 per year, while an EV costs only $64. But there's a catch, an extra road tax of 2.8 cents per kilometre. In NSW, the petrol car rego ranges from $700 to $850 depending on weight, and there's a $100 discount for EVs with no road tax. The ACT is the EV paradise with free rego for the first 2 years and no road tax. Next up, insurance costs. These vary based on the car type, your age and driving history, and where you live. City drivers usually pay more. Estimated comprehensive insurance costs per year. For a Toyota Corolla, it ranges from $1,000 to $1,500 in VIC, $900 to $1,400 in NSW, and $800 to $1,300 in the ACT. For a Tesla Model 3, it's pricier, $1,500 to $2,500 in VIC, $1,300 to $2,300 in NSW, and $1,200 to $2,000 in the ACT. EVs cost more to insure due to expensive battery repairs, but lower risk of mechanical failures. Now let's talk servicing and maintenance. EVs have an advantage here. Annual servicing costs for petrol cars like the Toyota Corolla range from $250 to $500 per year for small cars, and $500 to $1,000 for large SUVs. For EVs like the Tesla Model 3, it's only $100 to $300 per year for brakes, filters, and software updates. No oil changes and fewer moving parts mean less maintenance. EVs win. What about tires and fuel versus charging costs? Standard car tires cost $600 to $1,000 per year, while Tesla Model 3 tires cost $800 to $1,500 due to heavier EVs wearing tires faster. For fuel, petrol cars spend about $2,500 to $3,500 per year, while EVs using home charging spend only $500 to $1,000 per year. EVs save over $2,000 per year on fuel alone. Let's break down the total yearly cost for a Tesla Model 3 versus a Toyota Corolla in VIC, NSW, and the ACT. For a Tesla Model 3 in VIC's $4, $764 per year. In NSW $4, $500. In the ACT $3, $600. Cheapest EV state. For a Toyota Corolla in VIC $6, $895 per year. In NSW $6, $700. In the ACT $6, $670. So, is owning a car in Australia expensive? It depends. The ACT is the best for EVs with free rego and no road tax, while NSW offers overall savings compared to VIC, which is the most expensive with high rego and an EV road tax. What do you think? Are EVs worth it, or do you prefer petrol cars? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more car ownership cost breakdowns and EV content. See you